Hello, Market Club members everywhere. Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. The markets are a little changed today heading into the long holiday weekend here in the U.S. And this comes on the heels of a 6-day rally that took all three of the major indexes to all-time highs. So with that, take a look at the markets, see where they stand, give you some key levels to watch next week. We'll start with the S&P 500 currently trading at 2,415.76. Up about 1.4% on the week with a chart analysis score plus 100 with green trade triangles across the board. Of course, we'll go back to a daily chart here and show you where the green weekly popped in yesterday at 2,405.77. Key level to watch next week for the S&P 500 will be 2,352.72. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move back to a sidelines position. Dow Jones currently trading at 21,084.66 cents with a chart analysis score plus 100 with green trade triangles across the board. Key level to watch for the Dow Jones will be 20,553.45. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. We'll take a look at the weekly chart here. Showing you up about 1.3%, pretty close to what the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ will show as well. Moving along to the NASDAQ, currently trading at 6,208.63 with a chart analysis score plus 100, up a little over 2% on the week. Key level to watch for the NASDAQ will be 5,996.81. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. Dollar index making a little bit of a comeback this week, up about 0.3%. Of course, that came on the heels of a little over 2% loss last week. Chart analysis score still negative 75 with a red monthly and a red weekly trade triangle indicating a strong downtrend is in place. Key level to watch for the dollar index will be 99.76. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move to the sidelines position. Crude oil was the big loser of the week. It's currently trading down 2.2% on the week at 49.53 with a chart analysis score plus 55 indicating a sidelines position with a green weekly and a red daily trade triangle. The drop came as OPEC moved to prolong their supply cuts for 9 months. However, that was kind of disappointing to traders as they were hoping for longer cuts than just that. So, of course, OPEC's trying to keep crude oil right around that $50 levels where they want to see it. And we'll finish up with gold, having its third straight week of gains, currently trading at 1,266.90, up about 1% on the week. However, it is in a sidelines position based on a green daily trade triangle and a red weekly trade triangle with a chart analysis score plus 75. Key level to watch for gold will be 1,247.60. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position for gold. With that, every success. Have a great long weekend, and I'll be back next week with another market update.